High-performance CAT6 Ethernet cable. 100% copper for error-free multi-gigabit 1/2. 5/5 gigabit per second connections. 10 gigabits per second up to 160. Fluke patch cord tested to comply with ANSI, TIA-568-2.D Category 6. ETL Verified. PoE Support. 24 Aruban fluorines stranded copper conductors UL rated wiring. E13226A. Supports up to 100W for PoE devices like VOIP phone security systems. IEEE 802. 3 BTDTE power compliance reduces cable heating. Quality construction. ETL UL certified wire. 50-micron gold-plated connectors prevent rust, corrosion to avoid costly network downtime. High-quality PVC jacket resists bending or fraying damage. Easy installation. 25-foot snagless patch cord for easy installation, flexible disconnection in wiring conduits. Compatible with Cat5e earlier standards. Molded boots available for constrained spaces. StarTech. COM products are designed for IT professionals to meet their technical standards. Product quality, compatibility and reliability are ensured by our in-house and third-party labs. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Works as intended. I first received a 50-feet cable but submitted a return for the correct length and received the 100-feet one a few days later.